Did you know that castor oil can do wonders beyond just relieving constipation? Today, we're uncovering over 50 shocking benefits that your grandmother swore by, some of which might just change your life. Ready to dive into the world of castor oil? This natural remedy is like an ancient treasure trove of health benefits that most people today have no idea about. Sure, your doctor may recommend castor oil as a natural laxative, but there's so much more to this liquid gold that only our grandmothers seem to know. From skincare to wellness for your pets, castor oil is one of those household essentials with hidden powers. Let's jump in and uncover these surprising uses. 1. Say goodbye to athlete's foot and fungal issues. Castor oil's antifungal properties make it perfect for tackling issues like athlete's foot. Applying it alone or with other antifungal oils, like coconut or iodine, can effectively knock out those pesky fungi. 2. Denture care for a fresh smile. Did you know castor oil can also clean dentures? Just washing your dentures with a bit of castor oil can prevent bacteria and fungi, which can otherwise lead to denture stomatitis, a mouth infection. 3. Get the right kind organic, cold-pressed, and hexane-free. When you're buying castor oil, go for an organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free variety, ideally in a glass bottle. This ensures you're using the cleanest form without any chemical residues from processing. A spotless glow. Say goodbye to age spots and sun damage. Dabbing castor oil on age spots and dark spots can help fade them over time. It's like an overnight treatment, except it requires a bit of patience. Stick with it, and your skin will show results after a few weeks. Stretch marks be gone. From growth spurts to pregnancy, stretch marks happen. Castor oil, when massaged into the skin, gradually helps fade these marks. Consistency is key, but the results are worth it. Relief for sore muscles. If you're dealing with muscle soreness from a workout or an injury, castor oil can help soothe those aches. Massage it into sore areas, and feel the relief start to settle in as your muscles recover. Wrinkle and skin tightening treatment. As we age, our skin needs a little extra TLC. Castor oil helps reduce wrinkles, firms up skin, and even gives drooping eyelids a lift. Apply it around the eyes and other areas for an age-defying routine that strengthens and softens skin over time. Castor oil for your pets. Have a pet with lumps or bumps. Just like on humans, castor oil can help dissolve small lumps and cysts on your furry friends. Apply a small amount with a Q-tip each day to see gradual improvement. Nail and cuticle health. Want stronger nails and healthy cuticles? Massage castor oil into your nails for just a couple of weeks and you'll start to notice healthier, more robust nails. It's great for keeping hands looking fabulous. Eye relief, dry eye and eyelash growth. Castor oil is often recommended for dry eye relief. No need to put it directly in your eye. Just rub a little on your eyelids before bed. As a bonus, it helps your lashes grow thicker and longer. Apply it with a clean mascara wand for best results. Cataract care. For those with cataracts, a drop of castor oil in each eye or gently applied to the eyelids can help improve eye health. Always consult a doctor before applying anything new around your eyes, though. Banish bug bites. For bug bites, whether from spiders or mosquitoes, castor oil can reduce inflammation, pain, and itchiness. It also helps draw out any toxins from the bite area, helping it heal faster. Believe it or not, castor oil may even help dissolve bone spurs over time. Castor oil packs, where you soak a cloth in castor oil and wrap it around the affected area, have helped people reduce and even eliminate spurs naturally. Looking to detox your organs? Castor oil packs are the way to go. You can place a soaked cloth over your liver, kidneys, or other areas and let the detox magic happen. Just 1 to 2 hours a day works wonders. Did you know applying castor oil to your belly button can help with detoxification? Since the belly button has numerous nerve endings, it distributes the oil's benefits to your whole body. Start with a small amount to avoid any nausea and increase gradually. For those suffering from psoriasis, castor oil's soothing qualities can provide relief. Regular application can help reduce flare-ups and improve skin health over time. If cramps and irritability disrupt your cycle, castor oil in the belly button might help. Applied every other day, it can ease discomfort and balance hormones naturally. Dreaming of thick, healthy hair? Castor oil strengthens hair, reduces breakage, and stimulates growth. Apply it as a scalp treatment, use it in hair packs, or even mix it into your shampoo. Feeling under the weather? A spoonful of castor oil may help ease symptoms of colds, coughs, and even sinus infections. It's a gentle way to keep seasonal illnesses at bay. People with digestive issues like IBS or ulcerative colitis have found relief with castor oil packs. Applying these packs over your abdomen can help soothe irritation in the intestines and relieve symptoms. For a natural headache remedy, rub a small amount of castor oil on your temples or forehead and let it ease your pain. Skin and breast cancer support. Castor oil has been used to help relieve discomfort associated with skin and breast cancer. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties support skin health and can complement other treatments. Thyroid health. Castor oil massages over the neck area have been said to support thyroid health. If you're looking to boost thyroid function naturally, applying castor oil here might be a gentle way to start. Castor oil's ability to reduce inflammation makes it helpful for treating fibroids and shingles as well. Applying the oil regularly can ease symptoms and promote healing. Cold sores and other skin blemishes. Castor oil works wonders on cold sores and other skin imperfections. It's gentle, safe, and highly effective for soothing irritated skin. The only group that should steer clear of castor oil? Pregnant women. Because it can stimulate bowel movements and even induce labor, it's best for expectant moms to check with their healthcare provider before using it. Start your castor oil journey. With all these uses, it's no wonder castor oil has been cherished for generations. Try it for yourself, whether it's for your skin, hair, digestive health, or just to relax those sore muscles. And if you find yourself discovering more benefits, don't forget to share your experiences, just like our grandmothers would.